To Manjula Devi Murugesan Software Training Center. In this video, we are going to see about work sharing. What is meant by work sharing? Sharing the work. That is called the work sharing. Okay. Then what is the purpose of work sharing? Actually, MEP work. What we are now seeing is regarding MEP design only. Okay. MEP entire MEP work will be done by a single company. So entire so no problem. Okay, that is no problem. Entire work will be done by a single company. But in that company, just I am opening my Revit file. Okay, lighting. Sorry, in MEP, lighting is there, HVAC is there, mechanical, and plumbing is there. But whether single person will do design in entire this thing? No, because lighting will be done by some person, power supply will be done by some person, HVAC will be done by some other person, plumbing will be done by some other person. Okay, so each one works on a separate file. Okay, then what will happen? They need to check for coordination, because in same place duct and cable tray may go. After designing, if they find that cable tray and duct are in same position, then they have to do redesign. Instead of that, if the entire team is working on a single file, then what happened? While doing designing itself, we can see any problem is there, what he has done. For example, if mechanical is working on ducting, he can see whether cable tray, where is cable tray located, whether it is clashing with the duct, entire thing, and accordingly he can design it. Okay, while doing itself they can rectify. But in software, if one person opens a file, another one cannot open. If they open, it will open as a read only. If you save it, can be saved as a different file. So the purpose, once again, this is a practical problem. To overcome that only, the work sharing concept has come. Okay, they are going to work on a single file, but in a different concept. Okay, what they are going to do? In server, they are going to have a file. Okay, called a central file in server. And system A, system B, system C, etc. They are going to have a local file. What will happen now? System in if a person is working in a system A, he will create a local file and he will work on that, like that system B, system C. Okay, after working, they will synchronize with server, that is through the central file. Okay, everybody is synchronized. So what happens? The entire thing, they can work on a different file, on the same file and the same different systems. When to do work sharing? Okay, if he gets order, then they will start do work sharing. Okay, when need arises. Okay, if they are going for real project orientation and they are taking entire MEP work and a different team is going to work on that, then only they will do enable work sharing. Okay, because if it is in quotation stage, no need for work sharing. If you are doing an work sharing, so many problems will come. Okay, that's why if it is needed, really in need, then they will go for work sharing. Then what precautions to be taken before enabling work sharing? Before enabling work sharing, take backup copy of your file. If not, you cannot get the original file. Okay, from work sharing you can disable and change to normal file. That thing no problem. But your original file you will not get. So for that purpose, first take backup that original file, keep aside, then enable work sharing. Okay, then before going, okay, now let us start creating central file. So since I am actually, this is server network system. Okay, but since I am working in a single system, just I am going to consider this file the same my system as a server and local systems. Okay, the client systems. Okay, for that purpose, just I am going for options. Just I will close this, go for option, username. Okay, have your username, change usernames, then only we can identify as a local system. For each local system I am going to have a different username. For server I am going to name is a server. and going to open the file. Okay, just I already copied and saved in a different location, so just I am opening the file. Okay, here already I have done the link to the file. Linking is done. Okay, when the linking has to be done, before work sharing or after work sharing, it depends on your system. In some thing what they will do, no, without linking any files, just a empty file they will create a work shared file. Then those working on the local files need to link their record buildings, because building A, building B, building C, there may be some near 5 to 10 buildings in a single layout, and one person is working in one building, another person is working in another building. By that time, for that purpose, if they are doing like that, the person, those who are working on that building, need to link the file. Okay, right. So just what I am going to do now, just to go for collaborate tab. In that manage collaboration, click collaborate. Okay, there is collaborate within your, two options are available now. Collaborate within your network, collaborate using the cloud. Collaborate within your network, it may be your server, this system. Okay, that is you are connected, may be connected through LAN or WAN, wide area network or internet, local area network, any network you are connected. Okay, with your server, that is your computer company system. Okay, connected with the company system, that is collaborating within your network. Collaborate using the cloud. Okay, Autodesk is providing a cloud server, that is actually paid service. If you are using that cloud service, then you can use collaborate using the cloud. Now just we are going to see about only collaborate within your network. Select collaborate within your network, click OK. Now your central file is created, work shared central file is created. See, now you can see work sets, and instead of collaborate, now it's changed as a collaborate in cloud. Okay, that is active work set. There are two work sets are there. Now we have created central file. Now let us see some components. Work sets, click this. Now you can see active work set, that is work set 1 is active. Now whatever things you are going to work, it will sit on this. Okay, draw just like a layers in AutoCAD. Okay, so work set 1, and the name is shared level and grids. What will happen now? There is levels and grids already we have seen. That thing, if you are working, what they will do now, they will share the levels and grids in a single file, and it will sit on a shared and levels and grids. By default, 2 work sets will be created. Work sets. Okay, then editable, let us see later. Owner server, actually we have seen that in option the username is a server. Okay, same name is there. Borrower, let us see later. Open, that is open means whether this file is open or not. Okay, let us see, just I am going to change this to no. See, my linked file is not visible, that is closed. If I click open, it will get open. Next, regarding owner, who is owning that work set? Okay, now editable. What is meant by editable? Yes, no. Okay, there is 2 options, yes, no. Okay, what is meant by yes? If you say yes means, okay, there is a small difference. If it is yes, okay, if you are owning this, if owner is yourself, then you can see yes. If somebody is ownership, okay, having the, sorry, 1 minute. Okay, regard this editable will be somewhat confusing, that's why. Okay, if some name is present in as a owner, okay, then editable means that owner only can edit and the other persons cannot edit. If no owner is present, then anybody can edit the file. While working on the local file, we can see, okay, that will be next video regarding local files. In that video you can see that how its owner affects the local file. Okay, so if it say no means anybody can edit and owner's name should not be there. Okay, some cases no, it will be editable, no, and owner name is present means that owner only can edit. Okay, like that. Okay, so the purpose of editable we will see later. Okay, by default what we need to do, no, the editable should be press no, should keep no, because it's saying warning. Okay, because after enable work sharing I didn't save, just I have to save the file. Now I go for here, just I want to change no. See, now it's and editable no, and owner name is removed. Okay, if I said yes, owner name is present. Okay, let it be like this only. Then here show user created, these two items are user created. Then project standards, okay, these are work sets, families work sets, views. See these views once again, not what will happen, no, entire files, this views, everything will become as a work sets now. Okay, so click OK. Right, so you have seen that it should be editable should be no, and owner should also name should not be present. Okay, so for that we need to relinquish, just change this to no. I click this and click no for each and every file. If I click no means it will take time. For that only relinquish all mine. In synchronous you can see relinquish all mine. That means what will happen, entire ownership will be released. Okay, entire ownership will be released. So condition is you should not have ownership in central file, not only central file, any files in local files also you better to relinquish your ownership in the work sets. Okay, after creating central files, and you should not, after you close it, relinquish your ownership, close it. Then you should work on in local file only, you should not open the central file. Okay, but I will in later video I will explain. We can under what circumstances we will open the central file, under what circumstances we will open the central file I will explain in future videos. Okay, so this way we will create central file. After creating central file, close it. In next video we will see how to create local files.